Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to install applications on your JVC Smart TV. First of all, from the home screen of our device, let's navigate to the App Store. Click OK. Now, to use the App Store, we're going to have to be connected to the internet. After that, we're going to have to select one of the 4 available categories to search for specific apps. Now, the first one, app library, is the ones that are either are installed on your TV or were installed on your TV. Featured will show you some featured apps. Games will show you some gaming applications. And all categories is basically the list of categories from which you want to you can find a specific game. Now, you can also use the search field by navigating to the search tab and selecting the search field, and then either using your Alexa to search for an app for you, or using your D-pad to navigate on this keyboard and middle D-pad key to select a digit. And this way you can find an application that you want to install. Once you have found it, you're gonna have to select the application and then click Get icon right here, and then wait until this application is downloaded and installed. So now let's wait for a moment. And that's it. Now we can open an application by pressing display icon, or we can access the application through our apps menu. So go to this icon, then navigate to my apps, and here you'll be able to find all of your applications that you have installed on your TV. Here is the application that we just installed. And that's how we do it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.